Hi there, fellow sea glass lovers. I'm Jackie. Thanks so much for joining me today. And in today's video, I'm going to show you some photos of a workshop that I did last summer. I was waiting to post this video until I finished this sea glass mosaic because I was using this one as a demo for the workshop. And after the workshop, I plan to finish it and then post all these photos of the day. But just getting to it now. If you saw my video last week, I gave you 10 design tips on completing a large sea glass mosaic. That would be some of the stuff that I talked about during the workshop. I hope you find it really interesting. So join me for today's video. I hope you really enjoy it. The people that came were so much fun, and I really was impressed with some of the sea glass mosaics that they created throughout the day and following. After the workshop was finished, I did get some follow-up pictures of finished projects, and they're just beautiful. So I hope you enjoy this one. So when I do a workshop, I like to have a demo piece. So this is a small one I'm doing for a demo piece. This is an 8 by 10. Some of the people attending the workshop are going to do a mosaic on a small frame. So with this one, it gives me the chance to show a lot of different strategies for creating sea glass mosaics. Now, my main focal point for this one is this amazing red piece of sea glass that my daughter-in-law found this summer. So I really wanted to showcase it in a small piece so that it stands out. And then my secondary focal point is this lighthouse, which is the Caskenpeck Lighthouse in Alberton in Prince Edward Island, which is a really iconic lighthouse here on PEI. So I wanted to depict that as well. So I have all my materials here to fill in, some white and brown and green sea glass, and stick here till the end of the video and I will show you my finished mosaic. So some of the people attending the workshop are going to be doing a mosaic on a larger antique window. So I'm also doing this demo piece for the workshop for those people so I can demonstrate to them some of the techniques that are really helpful when you're working on a larger project. Now this piece is inspired by Van Gogh because this summer I had a chance to go see the Van Gogh 360 display in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and it was amazing. So I've been wanting to work on a Van Gogh inspired piece all summer. So with this piece I'm going to do some real contrast between some of these square structural shapes and some of the circular shapes. I have some bottle bottoms here, but I'm also going to make a bunch of other circles. This piece of glass right here is just amazing. It's a circular piece of glass that the girl who organized the workshop gave me when we were setting up, and I thought that's going to go perfect in my Van Gogh piece. So I'm quite excited about this one, and I'm also planning to make this one darker on the bottom and lighter on the top, and there's going to be a real graduation from the dark to the light on top. So stick with me to the end of this video and I'll show you the finished project once this is complete.